Hello everyone. In our today's problem, we have to find maximum number of operations to move ones to the end. So you will be given a binary string and you can perform like choose any index of I where I plus 1 is less than the length and string I is equal to 1 and I plus 1 is equal to 0. And what you have to do, you have to you have to move the I to the 0. Okay, if I copy this one and explain it here, like all we have to do, like you will be given a binary string. Okay, the string will be binary, means there will be only 0 and 1, 0 or 1. Okay, now for example, you found this one, 1. Okay, and the next index is 0. You can move it here. Okay, but here the problem says like, mm, okay, so move the character string of I to the right until it reach end of the string or another one. Okay, so it will count as a one. Okay, now if you have a look here, like move this one to the right till it reach end of this string or another one. Okay, so we got another one here, so we can move it till here. So our next string will be like if we move it here, this one will be 0. Okay, 0, 0, and as we are moving the one here, one will come here, then our new string will be like this. Okay, so how many move we did? One now. Okay, now then we have another 0 here, right? So we can move these three numbers here, right? But we cannot move three of them together. Together, we have to like move the ones ones by ones, right? So one by one, right? So we have 0, 1, 0 here, and 2, 1 here. Then after this one, we have 0. Okay, so we can move it here, and after we can move till like 1. Okay, now the 1 will be here and 0 will come here. So we can do like this. So this is our second step. Again, we can move this one here, right? So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So this is our third step. Then again, we can move this one to 0. This one is my fourth one. So how many steps we did? We did 4 steps, right? Now, here, if you have a look, like the easiest way to think about this is like, for example, this is 1, 1, 0. Okay, so how many steps you need to put two ones here? It will be 2. How? So first we will move this one here. So 1, 0, 1. Then we'll move this one here. So 1, 1, 0. Pardon. It will be 0, 1, 1. So this will be our answer and our steps will be 2. Now, so from here we can say if we have two ones or if there was 3 or 4 one here and then with 0, so we need 4 steps to complete the whole steps, right? So it will be like answer will be count of 1. Okay, count of 1, 1. Okay, so it will be 4. Now, what if after this 4, 0, there is another 1 and 0? Okay, now how many steps you need to move all ones to the end? Okay, so till there, we know we need 4, right? So after 4, it will be like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then still this 10 is remaining, right? So I'll write it here 10. So this will get this string after 4 operation. Now still we need to move all of them here, right? How many more steps we need? 5 more steps we need, right? So we'll put it here. After 4 plus 5, which will be 9, then it will looks like this. Okay. So how many steps we need? 9. Now what we can say like till there. So our our string was like this. What we can say, if we get any 0 here, we'll keep we'll keep increasing the value of I till we didn't get any 0. And if the uh, I is 1, we'll keep increasing the count of we'll keep increasing the value of count. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 1 we got? 4. Okay, so we'll keep increasing the value of I or count 4. If we get any 0 and the previous value is 1, our answer will be answer plus equal to count, which will be answer equal to 4. Okay, and count is still equal to 4. Then again we'll go there, we'll count one more one. So total count will be 5, right? And then we got another 0 and previous element is 1. So 9, my new answer will be answer plus equal to count. So previous answer count. Previous answer was 4. 4 plus equal to 5, which will be 9. I hope you got it, and the explanation was here, right? Same if I give you one more example. For example, we got 2 0 here, 2 1 here, 0 here, 2 1 here, 0 here. Okay, so how many steps we need? Till there, we need 2 steps. After 2 steps, our count is 2, right? We got 2 1 here. So it will be 2. Then it will looks like here, right? So we got 4 and 4 will go there. So it will be 2 plus 4. Answer will be 6 steps total we need. After 6 steps, it will look like this. So in short, what we can say, our current count is 2. Then again, if we get another 0, I'll count the rest of the ones and it will be like 2 plus 4. Okay. So it's pretty much simple. What we can say, like we'll keep counting the ones, okay? And so 1, 2, and whenever we get 0, we'll be saying, okay, count is 2, answer is 2. Okay, then we'll come here 1, 2. So we got total 4, 4 1, and previous and we got 0 here. Okay, so 4 1 plus previous answer was 2, so 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. It will be the answer. Again, if there was another 1 and 0, then 6. It was 6, right? Then again, in total we have 5 more 1, right? In total 5 1. So 6 plus 5, it will be 11, right? That's it. Like that's how we need to solve this question. So if I say int response is equal to 0, count is equal to 0, okay, return will be response. Then I'll be saying for int I is equal to 0, I less than that size plus plus, and then I'll be saying if s of I is equal to 1, then count plus plus will be keeping within the class. If else I is greater than 0, I have to greater than 0, and 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 so if s of I is equal to 1, it will go there. If it is 0, it will come here. So I'm saying if I minus 1, the previous element was equal to 1. Okay, why I have to say this? For example, this one. Okay, so for this one, the answer was 6, right? Now, if it is like this, still the answer will be 6, right? It doesn't matter how many zeros was there, right? Because if there was 2 0, we can easily pass this, like, because the problem statement says like either end of the string or another one. So another one. So we'll go till another one or end of the string, right? So it doesn't matter if it is like 4 0, so it can go directly here. Okay. So this means all we have to find a 0 and the previous element was 1. Okay. For example, if this one is 0 or this one is 0 and the previous element is not 1, we'll be not counting this one, right? And then I'll be saying response plus equal to response plus equal to my count. That's it. If I run this code, if it's not, it is else if else if. Okay. Yeah, it is accepted. And if I submit this one, it should pass all the test case. It is. Thank you so much, guys.